This is BitSignal. Now, if you haven't joined the Bismuth Discord server yet, this is the best time to join, because what I am about to show you will be only reproducible for you if you have joined the Bismuth Discord server. The link is right here. I will put this link in the description of the video, so it will be really easy for you to just click on that link, and then the Discord app will open and you are ready to join the community, which is a very helpful community. So if you have any questions, I'm also there. If you have any questions, you can just ask us and we will gladly help you. Now, I want to introduce to you the Pawer Bot. This here is a new bot which is used on the Discord server. With this bot, you are able to create a Bismuth address, a public address, and you're also able to, you have the option of various commands which you can initiate. Okay, you can also send tips to other users, and I'm about to show you some of the commands, and there are even more commands coming in the future to this new Pawer Bot. The name Pawer was chosen because, first of all, this name hasn't been used on the Bismuth Discord server yet, which is a very good reason, and also in memory of Georgius Agricola, which is known to be the father of mineralogy. So let's head over to the Discord app, and you see there are already some transactions which were created by the bot. Okay, for example, this one here. Someone sent a tip. Now let me show you first of all how to list all options you have, all the commands. Okay. Now, if you initiate the bot by just typing the Pawer and then help, and this will here show now all the help. all the commands. Okay, so those are here Bismuth commands. First of all, before you start, you would have to create your own address on the Discord server, which would mean you just you would put in the command Pawer and then just deposit. Okay. Now, I already have this address. That's the reason why it only shows, is just showing my address. But if you do it for the first time, you would have to accept the terms and then it would show your address. And you also can only, I think you can only send transactions or tips to users who already have created an address. Now, you are able to show your balance. Okay, let's show my balance. Okay, it says my balance is 3.98 bismuth. Okay, so what else do we have? The balance, deposit, the graph, it shows the Bismuth graph, the pools, the difficulty, block time, hypernodes, then information, chain information. Well, you can do it all. You can try this all for yourself. Okay. Now, what I'm going to try now is just send a tip to someone. You have two options to tip someone. Well, two different ways to tip someone. You can, first of all, you can just write out and then tip and then the user, followed by the user. Okay, and then how much you want to tip. If I would just want to tip, for example, 1 bismuth, that would be the default, the default amount. Okay, so if I want to, I can create a different one, 0.5, 0.7, or even 1 point, for example, 2. Okay, that's now the amount. So you see that I chose the command Pawer, tip, and then the user, I'm tipping, and then how much I want to tip. Okay, now I just hit on enter, and now this user should have you see that that user has received, should receive 1.2 bis, okay? And of course, this will also be on the blockchain. I could do, there's another way to tip if I just put an exclamation mark and then tip, and then the user, for example, now the same user, I'm just using a different way to tip. And then, for example, I'm not going to enter anything else, okay? And then it would just take the default tip. You see, now I had 2 transactions. I tipped this user twice using, first of all, the second time I used the default amount, and the first one I just typed in some amount I want to tip, okay? So, yeah, if you want to try out, it's really nice. You create a wallet. Of course, you can also, if you have received any of those tips, you can withdraw them to your desktop wallet. That's also possible, where you are really, where you own your private keys, okay? So don't leave big amounts of Bismuth on the Discord server. You can always withdraw them to your own wallet. If you download it, of course, then you would have to download the wallet, and then you can create your public address and withdraw. You can see the command would be withdraw, and that's the same way. You just type in the name of the bot, Pawer, and then withdraw, and then your address. All right, that's about it. If you have any questions, just come to our community, ask your questions, and we will gladly help you, okay? Thanks.